Ready. Yeah, he's right there. He's in the water.
It's like he came sliding down, right?
Yeah, I saw it.
Sliding down.
Oh, I see a fish in there. There's a fish in there. There's another one in there. I see a fish in there, Raphael.
Raphael, come here. There's a fish, you guys.
There's two fishes in there. I see two fishes in there.
Fishes. Yeah, I see one.
Two fish and a turtle.
Ready? Let's go.
Alright.
All right, guys. So we spy a turtle here on the.
Hey guys,
Just it's
before we
stretching.
take our own photos, let's do a group photo.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah, I
since
took
the
a
path
picture
is
of the
clear
photo.
right now.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You guys want to look this
It's not
way?
going yet in the water.
yeah. There's a turtle right there,
Smile.
and and it looks
And when you have the turtle like
and it
this.
looks as if he sees us.
The turtle. Yeah.
You can see him in the back. Right there, he's
Look,
just like,
he's like backing up his leg.
He's like, actually,
Just stretching.
I think he's sunbathing, you guys.
clear, there's people coming.
Turtles usually sunbathing.
Yeah.
Question,
Bye,
what's the
Mr. Turtle.
difference?
Have a nice thing. Have fun in the sun, right?
Enjoying the sun, babe.
I have a question, a trivia question.
Places.
they have like glamping.
All right, there's a fox squirrel right there,
It's like
looking for nuts.
you have like AC and stuff. Electricity.
And
It's
the
like
food.
living in a house.
And the
Here it
food better
goes.
be good, right?
Probably have better food than they put camping.
Like what? Like making sandwiches?
Like hot dogs. Like barbecue kind of food, you know? Like chicken maybe.
Yeah. Here again. Okay, well, I'm not good at the whole bird call. The grass probably see.
Robert, and then we can put our phones away, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Look at that. Those are ground squirrels, all right. Yeah, there's a Canadian geese right there. So there's one right there.
I think he's a female. It's a female.
Yeah. I see some turtles over there on the tree branch over there. There's some turtles over there, and there's the geese right there.
And you don't want to hit it with a rock because then you might get like the grass.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's three of them. Actually four. This is four.